I'm Andrew, this is Dennis, we are the Crafty Lumberjacks. Well, Valentine's Day is around the corner and our apartment is looking really sad and depressing after the holidays.
Yes, so today we busted out our Cricut Maker.
Yep.
We're gonna make some easy Valentine's Day decor. We don't know what we're making, but rather than going to the store and spending more money, getting more stuff, we're gonna use what we have in the apartment and get crafty today.
We figured out our first craft.
We're taking a quote from a famous love song and making a little banner for our cat. We're using some craft board here, just loading our mat, and then I'm gonna pop it in the machine.
Our letters are all cut, they look great. And now we're gonna cut out some hearts using the fine point blade.
They're looking so cute, we wanted to add some extra detail. So we're gonna be using our wavy blade to cut out a heart larger than the shape of our smaller heart. So it has a fun, nostalgic background. Super cute.
We were originally going to just glue the letters onto a piece of string, but we decided midway not to do that. The Cricut could have cut out little holes, but we actually have a small hole punch, so we're actually just gonna do that instead, and yeah.
Then hang it.
All right, for our next thing, we're going to updo some plastic dollar store hearts we have. We're keeping it totally classic and adding some vinyl, which we love.
All right, hearts. Call me maybe.
All right, for our last project, we're gonna do just a little bit of artwork. We love switching out our frames seasonally, so this was a no-brainer. Actually, it took a long time to figure out what we were gonna do. We were gonna do a tea towel,
a pillow, all the things, but
know.
It's come down to this.
Yes. All right, we're done. We had so many more ideas. Actually, that was the hardest part, trying to figure out what we were gonna do, but we really want to keep it easy and we love how they turned out.
Yes, you could of course cut these by hand, but the Cricut makes it so much easier and that's why we love it. As always, you can find more inspiration on our blog and we'll see you soon. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. I'm Dennis.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
You have your space in need of some sprucing. Couple of guys worth introducing. They know their way around the craft store, finding deals and oh so much more. What should you put in your kitchen nook? Trust Dennis and Andrew, they wrote the book. A little bit of glitter and creativity. Crafting up some fun is their cup of tea. Bring your hot glue gun, grab some snacks. Time to get artsy with the Crafty Lumberjacks.
Can't read my cue card.